What's going on, mechanics? They done done it. They done done it. Your boy got his hands on some Beyond Ground.
Where we going? This is beyond me.
Beyond Beef, whatever it's called. All I know is I got it. Y'all not even ready for this. You know what we doing with this? We going straight into tacos. I'm gonna do my first review and I'm gonna use this as taco meat and we're gonna see what it's hitting like. You know what I'm saying? I hope it's good. If you're new here, subscribe right now. This is gonna be the best review you ever seen in your entire freaking life. So without further ado, let's get started. Beyond Ground, 20 grams of plant-based protein per serving. So it's 4 servings in here, so that's 80 grams of protein in this brick right here, because I'm pretty sure I'll eat this whole brick all by myself. Anyway, Beyond Beef, dude, like, I'm so excited though. Like, I've been waiting for this since I've seen that they were revealing this and they were gonna have it. I've been waiting. It cost 10 bucks at my local store. I bought 2 packs because I'm a fat boy. So what I'm gonna do is I got a little taco kit. I'm gonna make tacos from it and I'm gonna see what happens. You know, I'm gonna give my honest opinion and review on it. So let's get down to cooking. Alright, mechanics, I don't even know how I made it this far. My mouth is watering. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat all day. I've been showing houses all day. Haven't done any mechanical work today. But listen, the Beyond Beef, it doesn't smell like the burgers. It smells pretty good. Let's see, what else would you want to know? It smells good. It seemed like it's gonna taste good. I used a taco kit, seasoned it up for Taco Tuesday, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna get it. Before I dive into this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out more than you believe. Turn on that notification bell. Drum roll, please. Hold on, bruh. Hold on, bruh. Yeah. Like, for real. Hand of the man, no cap. Like, no joke. This will fool a lot of people. Like, yeah, what are y'all doing with your life? Go vegan right now. Like, this is plants. Come on, yo. Hold on, I gotta try this by itself. Like, for sure. Like, bruh, no joke. This is probably easily the best crumbles I had. I had the other Beyond crumbles. I mean, they was alright. I wasn't really feeling them. They had a strong odor and a taste to them. But this Beyond Beef, bro, like, no joke, if I made this for somebody, and didn't tell them, even though they already know that if I'm making it, it has to be vegan. So I'm not sure how many people will believe that, but yo, easily the best crumbles I've had. Like, bro, I need somebody else in here to try this. Like, I'm not even joking, yo. Hang on, bro. Let me see what the soft hitting like. Let me see what the soft taco hitting like.
Oh my God!
Woo! Mama, I love you. Yo. Yo, these fools didn't fix Taco Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? So the meat cooked up real quick. I guess I should talk about the review. Review it a little more. Yo, oh my gosh, bro. Like, when I went vegan like 2.5 years ago, right? I was like, I didn't go vegan because I didn't like the taste of, you know, meat and stuff. So I thought I would never have anything like this because at that time they did not have a product this good. When I say think about your best crumbles that you can think of, this far beyond exceeds it. This thing is like I don't even know, man. Like, it's delicious. Like, hold on, you want it? Y'all probably don't believe me. Let me get one of the kids. Woo!
2 hours later.
Ta-da! I got DJ here. He's gonna try the taco with the Beyond Meat and the Daiya cutting board cheese. You're not getting the rest of this. Sorry. Tell him what you think. Chew it. Taste it.
This thing is so good.
What you think?
I want another one.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would have some if I was you. If you don't have any, you might as well just get some right now.
Woo! Hold on. We got Anthony. Say what's up, Anthony. Come closer, Ant. They can't see you. Ant got the fresh haircut.
You know, we
I
like
cut all my
twins.
braids.
Here. Come on, get a bite on the camera.
I put it for me.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Here. I got you, DJ. You gotta get a plate. Here. Go get a plate over there and you eat over there somewhere. Get lost. DJ, I got you. You lucky I love you.
Yeah, I might as well just eat the whole thing.
Boom. Hit it with the Daiya. Boom. Hit it with the. Go ahead. Now take that over there. Get your plate and go sit down somewhere. Boy, I said go sit down. He can't even walk off the set. Bruh. Like, no joke. Easily the best vegan ground beef like I've ever had. Easily. Like, I will put any amount of money on it. You're not gonna find one better than that, better tasting, more realistic. If you got like a stubborn boyfriend, hubby, or whatever, or wife, or whatever, give them this. Give them a Beyond Taco. They'll go vegan like almost overnight, like for sure. They won't want animal products after this. Beyond Meat, you guys outdid yourself. I get this 5 tacos out of 5 tacos. Bro, I'm gonna end the video here. Eat grass, not ass. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.
You guys don't leave me.